just think of you. And I start to wonder if you might think of me too.